Good day from the accountancy students of Far Eastern University, Manila. This is Dan Uganiza, and I am joined by Mr. Phil Payar and Ms. Aliyah Malonzo, your former tax associate interns at Fahatin and Reyes, certified public accountants. In pursuit of the requirements for the degree of Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, the students of FEU Manila went through internship programs provided by their respective host companies. In particular, Ms. Malonzo, Mr. Payar, and yours truly, Ms. Uganiza, had a glimpse of the professional work setting at Fahatin and Reyes, certified public accountants. To elaborate on our experience as tax associate interns, the proponents hereby present the case study entitled A Closer Look, Fahatin and Reyes Certified Public Accountants Internship Program.
To formally begin this presentation, let us shed light on the company's profile through an extensive review of its history, objectives, services, and founders, as provided by the proponents of this study.
Established in the year 2020, Fahatin and Reyes Certified Public Accountants, or FAR CPAs, was created with the mission and vision of being known as one of the leading providers of accounting and tax services for small and medium enterprises in the Philippines. The firm caters to general accounting, bookkeeping, business registration, tax compliance services, and BIR tax assessment, among others. In particular, FAR CPAs excels at handling BIR tax assessments, providing accounting and tax compliance retainer, and other general accounting services. The firm is located at Bonifacio Global City, Taguig. FAR CPAs currently has 4 partners possessing a wide range of expertise in accounting and taxation services, with professional experiences from the Big 4 accounting firms in the Philippines. Mr. Roginel L. Reyes, a named partner and the head of the tax department, served as our supervisor during the internship program. Mr. Adrian Paul I. Fahatin, also a named partner, serves as the head of the general accounting services of the firm. Attorney Nico Valderrama and Attorney Daryl Sales serves as the general counsel for the firm. Both are CPA lawyers who also happens to be the partners in the law firm counterpart of Fahatin and Reyes CPAs.
After the brief yet comprehensive discussion of the company's profile, it is imperative for us to understand the industry where it operates. Hence, the proponents opted to conduct an industry analysis through the use of PESEL framework. Provided are the political, economic, and social factors affecting the professional services industry. Out of the political factors indicated, the proponents would like to highlight the changes in government policies and the international trade and other treaties. Regulatory changes and treaties across international borders directly influence the manner of doing business. These political activities may either harm or benefit the industry depending on its context and purpose. Moving forward, economic instability is the key economic factor affecting the industry. Last 2020, the Philippines fell into a deep economic recession. This resulted in an increased unemployment rate, lower consumer spending, and decreased value of the Philippine peso. To continue, the proponents would like to focus on demographics as the key social factor. Understanding demographics such as social classes, aging populations, and gender groups could actually assist in finding market areas with strong development potential for their particular businesses. Together with the previously mentioned considerations, provided are the technological, legal, and environmental factors affecting the said industry. The proponents would like to highlight the integration of technology in businesses as the key technological factor. The professional services industry is being driven to establish new, improved, and sustainable business models that meet today's living conditions, as led by technological advancements and the new normal setting. Out of the legal factors provided, the proponents highly recognize the Philippine Accountancy Act of 2004, or the act which governs the practice of public accountancy, as the primary consideration in the industry. This is along with the strict adherence to accounting standards and frameworks, and of course the tax code of the Philippines. Lastly, the global health crisis and the strict implementation of related environmental regulations have significantly affected the manner of performing client activities, which resulted in various operational and financial implications to businesses.
Now that we already got a glimpse of the company profile of our CPAs as well as the industry they belong, let us now move on to the next part of this case study, which is identifying the specific classroom learnings that the intern successfully applied during the internship program. Working under the tax department of our CPAs, most tasks assigned to the interns were tax-related activities, and hence, the learnings they have acquired from the subjects income taxation and business taxation were the ones mostly applied throughout the internship program. The proponents were able to apply their knowledge in several income taxation topics such as general principles of taxation, income tax on individuals, income tax on corporation, minimum corporate income tax, inclusions and exclusion from gross income, fringe benefits and de minimis benefits, capital gains tax, real property tax, and withholding taxes. Their learnings in the said topics were explored and enhanced as they accomplished exercises that involves analysis of revenue memorandum circulars recently released by the Bureau of Internal Revenue. Moreover, such learnings also became beneficial upon the intern's preparation of the tax theory and tax problems segment of the Tax Hub Philippines, a taxation educational page that serves as the intern's batch project. In addition, the proponents' knowledge on business taxation topics such as transfer taxes, tax remedies, and preparation of tax returns were recalled, tested, and applied as the host company conducts several seminars for the benefit of the interns. Aside from that, the learnings of the proponents in value-added tax and preparation of tax returns were also challenged and put into practice during their tax vouching exercise, where interns prepared VAT returns from clients' receipts. Further, along with the aforementioned business taxation topics, the proponents' knowledge on property relations, percentage taxes, documentary stamp tax, and excise tax were applied upon preparation and execution of their batch project. Lastly, the interns were given the opportunity to refresh their knowledge on the regulatory framework for business transactions as the host company conducted a non-mandatory pre-board examination. Having established the classroom learnings that the interns applied during the course of the internship program, let us now compare the concepts taught in the classroom and the concepts used in the actual practice as observed by the proponents of this case study. Being a tax associate intern of our CPAs, the proponents were mostly assigned to tax-related activities which should be done in accordance with the tax code of the Philippines. Hence, since the theories and concepts taught in the classroom were also based on the tax code, there were no major contrasting concepts or theories observed throughout the course of the internship program. However, as the interns worked on their tasks and attended several tax-related seminars, they discovered that the manner of computation and the methods used in actual practice somehow vary from those taught in classroom. For instance, during the seminar on the preparation of tax returns, the proponents were introduced to the EBIR Forms package, an offline application offered by the Bureau of Internal Revenue which can be utilized to generate tax returns. The interns discovered that in actual practice, practitioners use this application to come up with the amount of their client's tax due instead of manually computing it. Nonetheless, though there were some instances wherein the methods or manner used in the actual practice differ from those taught in the classroom, the interns were able to successfully apply the necessary concepts and theories throughout the course of the internship program. All theories and concepts acquired either in classroom or in the actual work contribute to the professional growth of the interns.
Moving forward, the proponents have noticed a few issues and concerns regarding Fatin and Reyes Certified Public Accountants as a host company.
This includes confidential issues affecting the course of the program, causing limited actual practice activities that could have potentially increased the capability of the interns in performing actual tax practitioner tasks. Another is that we were not closely and consistently monitored due to a lack of personnel that should supervise the interns. Despite these issues, we are satisfied with our experience as tax associate interns at FAR CPAs. And surely, It served as a great training ground for us, student apprentices, in our upcoming accounting careers.
The sustainability of companies operating in the professional services industry was put to test during this time of the pandemic. In this regard, we hereby present the issues and concerns about the host company as an industry player. FAR CPAs is still establishing itself as a new player in the sector. This is a critical point for the company as clients tend to avail of the services provided by well-known firms. Second, despite the fact that FAR CPAs has a Facebook page that is utilized to promote the company to the public, its competitors in the field have a greater exposure and market reach due to more effective marketing techniques. Lastly, the service coverage of FAR CPAs is limited to general accounting and tax services. Clients seeking complete coverage may turn to entities that have a wide range of service operations.
Following a thorough examination of Fahatin and Reyes certified public accountants, the proponents therefore present the following recommendations to the entity's partners. The proponents have identified the need to deepen the bonds between the company's employees. This will help boost their morale and consequently work together to achieve the objectives set by the partners of the company. The company shall also consider maximizing the use of social media marketing to build connections not only with clients but also among other professionals in the field. This will help extend the social network and horizons of the company. It is also the recommendation of the proponents to involve interns in client engagements and other members of the firm. This will allow student interns to be further exposed to the real work practice as they interact with clients and establish connections with other professionals.
Having experienced the real work setting for a duration of 4 months under the guidance of our supervisor, the proponents hereby present the synthesized personal and career accomplishments that we have achieved. Intensified foundation of tax concepts through seminars and exercises, improved interpersonal skills and extended social networks by means of group activities and engagements, enhanced organizational skills through the overall experience of the conduct of the internship program, obtained valuable work experience by preparing protest letters to BIR, performing tax vouching activities, and other related practices, improved competencies and overall professionalism through a wide range of assigned requirements and tasks, and lastly, the attainment of objectives that were set by the proponents of the study.
It is a proponent's honor to experience the professional work setting at Fahatin and Reyes Certified Public Accountants as tax associate interns. The internship program provided by the host company served as one of the key stepping stones in reaching and experiencing our career goals as future practitioners. All things considered, the proponents of the study conclude that Fahatin and Reyes Certified Public Accountants certainly provided excellent guidance to its student interns in achieving their respective objectives. And this concludes our report regarding our experience as tax associate interns at Fahatin and Reyes Certified Public Accountants. Thank you very much and God bless.